And before we get cooking, I'd like to discuss the composition and structure of beef. Beef is comprised mainly of water, 75% water. About 20% is muscle tissue or protein. There's also fat and trace amounts of carbohydrates. We know that there is sugar in beef because when it is cooked, it turns brown, which is what happens to sugars when heat is applied to them. They caramelize. Also, the muscle fiber is comprised not only of that, but connective tissue. Connective tissue gives the muscle its ability to stay together to the bone and allow the muscles to function properly. And when cooking, it's very important to know what kind of connective tissue you're dealing with, as some connective tissue, like elastin, or commonly known as silver skin, is something that cannot be broken down chemically and can add a bad texture to the beef if you are not cutting it right or cooking it right. The other is collagen, which is easily disposed of through a chemical tenderization or marinade and or a mechanical tenderization. So let's move on to the next part.